everyone, welcome back to my channel。咁今日咧，我就係想拍一條片，係我好耐冇拍過嘅一個 topic，就係 A Day in My Life as a Product Designer。咁以我所知咧，好多人 subscribe 嘅咧，都係因為對我返工嘅嘢好有興趣啦。而我就有一段時間都已經冇再拍，咁所以咧今日就決定再拍多一輯，就係關於我平時日常返工係會做啲乜嘢個行業咧，都其實有好多人好有興趣想轉行啊入行咁咧。我今日拍呢條片咧，可以俾到一啲嘅 insight 俾大家啦，咁就睇下係咪呢個 career 係你想入而家 tech industry， 其實都 lay off 得比較嚴重啦，所以呢一個熱潮都可能會維持一陣間嘅。咁我希望如果可能 through 我呢一條片你睇到平時呢個 designer 係要做啲乜嘅，你係可以每日都係做呢啲嘢嘅，咁我覺得你真係可以去研究下呢一個行業係咪就係自己想去啦。呢條片咧始終都會有少少 switching between language 啦，咁就係我都會 provide 呢個 English subtitle 同埋 Chinese subtitle 俾有需要嘅朋友嘅，咁所以咧你就 turn it on，and then係咯，就繼續睇下條片啦，唔好撳出去，因為咧你會想知道嘅嘢咧都會喺呢條片入邊嘅。就講我今日返工其實嘅 agenda 係做啲乜。咁今日第一個會咧就係11點鐘嘅呢個 recurring meeting 啦。咁每個禮拜咧都會攞嚟簡單咁樣更新下個 team，同埋傾下下一個禮拜大家要做嘅嘢係要做啲乜。然之後咧就最近接咗一個新嘅項目啦，就係需要同 UX researcher 合作嘅。咁11點半咧就係同佢哋 debrief 啦，傾下分析咗嘅結果。咁等陣咧就會同大家傾下點樣去 synthesize 呢啲嘅 UX research results。1點鐘咧就係同一位 designer 去一齊傾下偈啦，咁就講下大家手頭上呢排做啲乜，咁就一齊俾下意見。咁去到2點鐘咧就係同 design lead one on one， 咁主要就傾下 career growth 同埋 next steps 嘅內容啦。咁成日嘅最後咧一個 meeting 就係去傾第2個項目啦，咁之後剩餘嘅時間咧都就係攞嚟做嘢啦。此刻嘅我就係覆下 Jira 同埋 Slack message 啦。咁通常一朝早咧就會簡單準備下成日要做啲乜啦。見到冇 meeting 嘅空餘時間咧，都會喺 calendar 上邊 mark 翻 busy， 咁就留翻俾自己。始終而家都仲係 work from home 啦，大家安排 meeting 嘅時間都會比較彈性，所以要好好管理下自己嗰部分。咁時間管理呢樣嘢，無論喺生活上或者返工上咧，其實都係一個好重要嘅 skill set 嚟嘅。咁似著因為我而家變咗我個 team 為一個 designer 啦，咁我就深深體會到時間係幾重要幾 precious 啊！因為你返工都係得嗰幾個鐘，咁你點樣可以喺呢幾個鐘入邊，你又完成晒你 teammate 要你做嘅所有嘢咧？咁我一路都有用開一個 practice 啦，係真係提升到我嘅時間管理能力，同埋點樣去 prioritize。咁只要咧你利用好呢手頭上呢幾樣嘢咧，你嘅 productivity 一定爆升啦。咁就係普通嘅一啲 post-it 啦，同埋一支筆。過來人嘅經驗為例咧，有本 working journal 咧，其實真係一啲用都冇嘅。唔知有冇同我一樣嘅朋友咧，有一本簿咧就會好想寫到佢勁靚，擺勁多心機落去，唔同顏色筆啊，咁樣嚟 mark 低所有重要嘅嘢。咁就係因為咁樣啦，所以嘥咗勁多時間。跟住你就喺張 post-it 度寫得你一日有幾多個 meeting，而呢幾個 meeting 係會嘥咗你幾多個鐘嘅。然之後再分 priority 嚟列出你今日係需要做嘅所有嘢。而嗰度又要使幾多個鐘，自然你一個先後次序咁樣排列咧，永遠啲時間都係好用好多嘅，因為你而家知道你要 prioritize 啲乜嘢 post 咁啊，梗係唔單止就得依個用途啦，係咪？咁你就可能喺 meeting 上邊啦，如果你無啦啦有啲嘢要 mark 低嘅話，你就咁喺張紙度寫低，寫完就搞掂啦。OK，咁完成晒手頭上嘅所有嘢咧，我10分鐘之後咧，其實就有我今日頭一個 meeting 啦。咁嗰一個就係11點鐘啦。咁嗰個其實都冇乜嘢特別可以 show 到俾大家 update 到係啲乜嘢。咁我哋下一個 meeting 就係同我個 UX researcher， 咁我就話俾大家聽點樣去 synthesize 之後嘅 UX research results。UX research 咧係成個設計入邊最重要嘅過程之一啦。咁佢就係包括收集同埋分析數據嚟提供呢個產品嘅可行性。呢個目的咧就係為咗更好咁了解用戶嘅需求啦，嚟撇除我哋呢啲 designer 一啲嘅 bias。今次咧就係同個 researcher 合作啦，咁就同呢啲客戶去交流嘅一 part。咁呢啲都係可以喺 usertesting.com 或者 userzoom 嚟安排。事前嘅準備咧就係要寫低個 testing script 啦，就 你想問嘅問題，同埋完成埋一個 prototype 嚟俾佢哋 interact 下。我哋一共咧就嗰時做咗6個 sessions 啦，咁每一個都會寫低啲 notes，然之後就喺 mirror board 度做分析。最常見嘅方法咧就係用 affinity mapping，咁簡而易之啦。我哋要知道嘅嘢就係用戶嘅 pain points、motivation 同埋 preference。咁通過啱啱嘅 interviews 啦，而家我哋得到嘅咧就係大量零零碎碎嘅數據，所以我哋咧就要拎佢去嚟做分組。咁然之後咧就同其他 teammates 嚟做一個綜合嘅分析過程。It's already freaking lunchtime and I still haven't had my breakfast. So, 我而家咧就去攞翻我之前今日勁好就朝頭早走出去買嘅早餐，就係咧我呢個係今朝我 suppose 嘅早餐。咁其實係有啲 sad 嘅，因為呢個行業你就知道你會有勁爆多 meeting，因為今朝嘅早餐咧都已經係要等到而家2點鐘先有得食。我呢位 software developer 嘅男朋友，你今日做咗啲乜啊？你今日成日
有 call meeting 咯，
跟住咧，
你而家仲有 meeting？
你今日有幾多個 meeting 啊？4
4個，
個，每個成個鐘。You know， 所以咧，我哋兩個都係爆多 meeting 嘅。然之後咧，喺我哋而家呢個 set up 咧，我就係喺一個 corner。佢就係喺嗰邊嘅一個 corner，會對方有 meeting 嗰陣時咧，都係會聽到對方講嘢㗎咯。咁所以我一路都係戴住個 AirPod。咁好彩有sound cancelling 啫，唔係嘅話咧，都唔知點樣 go through 每日嘅 meeting。未食完嘅我咧，而家都就要又去另外一個 meeting 啦。咁其實我覺得我自己呢一排都嘅我嘅 appetite 就係越嚟越少咯。我發覺係我自從由香港嗰陣時到而家，我都唔係話好 crave 想食啲乜嘢，咁所以咧就係為咗填飽個肚咧，咁我哋就繼續返工啦。
Well, I probably won't go in the office today, but she was asking like if I wanted to hang out for drinks. I know there's going to be a snowstorm, like maybe not today. I hope it's not today, but tomorrow. I think there's going to be a snowstorm.
Okay, bye. Thanks, bye. So that was done. I just had my first round of design sync with another designer, which is talk about the projects that we're doing, and then just to kind of give feedback to each other and then see what we can improve experience-wise. And then, oh my god, what happened? What's happening to my hair? It's so aesthetic-y. But yeah, it's essentially done at 2:30, yeah. So at 2:30, I'm going to have a design chat with my design lead. For those meetings, it's just a monthly touch point that we have, and then it's pretty chill. We're just gonna talk about stuff and then see career-wise, anything to talk about. It's a good opportunity just then, I could discuss how I wanted to move on with my career. Hi. How are you? I'm okay. All good. I know I didn't come in, but is there anyone in the office? Actually, it's you. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. My colleagues were thinking to hang out after work. But imagine, I feel like I'm not feeling too well. Still have a lot of work. So, as you saw, 我啱啱大部分時間都係攞嚟meeting 啦，所以咧我就基本上係冇時間做一啲 hands-on 嘅嘢嘅。咁我諗一日可能只係大概30% 嘅時間係攞嚟做嘢嘅啫。咁我而家咧仲有個零2個鐘度咧就正式係就係放工，咁我就用呢啲時間嚟做埋我需要做嘅嘢。咁我聽日咧就仲有多一個 presentation 就係俾我個 team 嘅，咁就係咯，做埋佢。Not fun.